Hello guys, today we're gonna see how to order products from China with Pinduoduo using Alipay. This is really easy to do. The first step we're gonna do is open our Pinduoduo app. Okay. Once we open this app, you're going to need an account. You need to sign up in this app. And once you sign up, you can select a product, whatever you want. You can select it, and then you can add this product to your shopping cart. Okay, it's really easy to do. You need to press one of these buttons, and then once you select this one product, whatever, you're going to your uh, to your shopping cart. Okay, and then once you were in your shopping cart, you're going to click uh, your product, and then you're going to pay, clicking this button right here, and then you're going to select the payment method with Alipay. Okay, it's really easy to do. The app will ask to confirm this amount in this to buy the product, and then you're going to click down to confirm this payment. Okay, it's really easy. I hope this video was helpful. Please comment and subscribe.